Use Fentreme IS2, the high-performance adhesive tape for exterior applications, for wind and rain-tight bonding of window and door frames to solid masonry. Beginning at the bottom, bond the 15mm side of the tape precisely to the frame. Fentreme is quick and easy to fit thanks to its pre-folding. Let the Fentreme protrude by about 1 tape width on each side. Remove the protruding backing strip little by little and bond the Fentreme to the masonry without applying any tension. Press on Fentreme IS2 firmly. Fentreme has extremely high adhesive strength over its entire surface and bonds at temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius. Repeat the process on each side. How it should look. The external side of the window is secured against wind and driving rain with Fentreme IS2. Sieger Fentreme IS2. Your advantages: extremely high adhesive strength on entire surface, 15mm pre-folded without backing strip, bonding from -10 degrees Celsius. If the Fentreme needs to be plastered over, use Fentreme 2 with perforated zone. Sieger Fentreme IS2 and Sieger Fentreme 2 are available in various dimensions.